This call is now being recorded.
And will you send a mail?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So, which mail ID this?
Uh, A Vijay Vignesh.
This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please check your mail. So, before going to the class, let me introduce myself. I'm Seena, working as Autodesk Certified Instructor at BIMLABS. So, I'm certified professional in Revit architecture. So, tell me, what about your software proficiency? And I want to know your software
Ma'am,
knowledge.
ma'am, we are in the beginning very like
Okay.
so now only we are exposed to this Revit.
Okay. Do you know AutoCAD?
We know this basics of AutoCAD.
Ah. Or do you know any
And
kind of design software like STAD or ETABS, that kind of
Yeah,
software?
STAT we
Primavera.
know that. Few of us
Okay.
we know that STAT complete.
Oh, okay.
and
Okay.
myself, I know Primavera, ma'am, and little bit of MS Project.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So, oh, enough. That's no problem. So we can start today's session. I hope you got the syllabus of today's session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So today we want to discuss about stair, railing, ramps, multi-story modeling, so that kind of areas. So first here I have a model. It have a first floor plan and also it have some landscaping portion. So just ignore it. I use a student project. So and that student they already complete the landscape. That's why in this project have landscape. So enough, that no problem. So consider the ground floor plan. Okay. So in this plan we have doors, walls, windows, floor, some kind of furnitures. So we can simply import this kind of furnitures. Okay. So do you have any doubt in this area? Anyone have any doubt? You can feel free. You can ask me. I'll clear it. Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm actually trying to insert that file which you send.
Okay.
Is that an architectural template, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can directly open. Just open the software. Then here you can
Okay.
see one open option. Then choose the file.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. It's opening.
if you want other persons you want to model the same file, I will share the CAD drawings. I will convert the floor plan into CAD. Then you can use the CAD file for develop the 3D model. You can simply insert the CAD file into your Revit file. Then you can convert that CAD drawing to 3D model. Okay.
Ma'am, whether the CAD drawing can be imported in the 19 version?
Yeah, we have an option, that is, so now we use 2020 version, so I am going to export this model to CAD documents actually. So this is actually, it's not a simple modeling tool. So Revit is a BIM tool, right? So BIM is a collaborative platform. We have lot of operations we can done through the BIM, so Revit. So that is, we can use Revit for basic modeling and landscaping, estimation, and also we can use Revit for documentation. Okay, and either we can use Revit or AutoCAD for documentation. So here I am going to use the Revit file for documentation, or we can convert, or if you want to export this file to DWH format, that is CAD format, or DGN format, that is MicroStations version, right? So we can simply convert this file, this Revit file to that particular versions. So that is, just click on to the application menu. Here we can see export option. Then you can see the CAD format. So these are the different CAD formats. So this DWG is the format of AutoCAD, and DGN is the format of MicroStation, the product of Bentley. That's also a CAD software. So here I am going to open the DWG version. First, just a minute, I want to change some settings. Export DWG, and okay, current drawing. Next. Okay, I'll share the CAD drawing to your mail. Okay, you can use. So anyone have any doubt? Otherwise I just start today's topic.
Could you please wait till we insert the file?
I can't hear. Just excuse. Sorry.
Ma'am, we would like to insert the file which was shared first.
Okay. Okay. So first, that is, you want to develop a 3D model from a CAD file. First, you need to open a new file or new project. So click onto the application menu, new project, and so here you can see. So I choose the default metric.rt is the template for creating a architectural model. So that is default metric.rte, then open. Here I want to create a new project. No need to create a project template. So we want to create a new project. So from default metric template. So create new project, or choose this option. It's very important. So in this area, define the character of our project. Okay. Or if you want to create a new template like default metric or structural analysis default metric, that is the templates. Or if you want to create a new template from the current template, we can choose the second option, otherwise choose the first option. So we can create a simple project. So choose the first option, then click on OK. Okay, so here we are successfully opened a Revit file, Revit project. So we want to import the CAD file to here. So go to Insert tab. Here we can see where import CAD. Okay, this is the import CAD. Choose the option. Then select the file that's saved in desktop. So this is the file. Select the file, then so first we can set the positioning, that is automatically placed the origin point of the Revit file is automatically placed into the origin of the Revit project. So or if you want to choose the manual option, you can place manually. So here I am choose the manual center option. So I want to place manually this drawing into the model. Okay, then open. So you can see this is the project. So place the project into the middle of the 4 elevation bubble. So now you can see. Okay, this is the CAD file, right? Then this is not a 3D, this is a perfect 2D file. Okay, so I want to develop this file.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sorry for the interruption.
Okay, it's okay.
Ma'am, I got an error message showing like
Yes.
no valid elements in the files.
So can you please share your screen? Can you please share
Yeah,
your
yeah,
screen?
yeah. Yes.
Important detected no valid element in this file. Import from the okay, just can you please repeat this step once again from the
Yes,
beginning?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I've downloaded the CAD
first. Wait. First, which template you choose?
architecture template.
Okay, then insert import CAD. Choose the file.
Yeah, import CAD. And it was in download, so I've chosen this. And manual center and place at level 1 and I just opened it.
Oh yes. Click yes.
So it is showing like this.
Click onto the yes.
Okay.
Okay, repeat the
Nothing
step
is.
once. Okay, repeat the step once again.
Oh, it's
Just click onto the no button. Okay, just repeat.
okay. Nothing work.
Okay, go to manage tab. Click onto the manage tab.
Wait. Yeah.
Then manage link. Click onto the manage link.
Okay.
Nothing is here. So here just I'm trying to add. Click onto the add button.
Oh, it
Change
shows
the
empty.
change the file type. Oh, nothing.
File type it is not coming.
Visible. Yes. Just okay. Close the window.
Okay.
Close. Just turn off the project once again. Click onto the file option. File. Close.
Okay.
Close.
Okay.
Then open a new. Click onto the new option. New.
Yeah.
Browse.
Okay.
choose the default metric, the third one.
Yeah.
Okay, open. Okay,
Okay.
try this step once again.
Okay. Import. Insert.
Import CAD. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Which version is this?
It's 19. Revit 19.
Just a minute, I'm going to change the file type or version. Just a minute.
Okay.
Please use this file. I hope that's a version issue. Please share your screen and try.
We are ready to receive the file. I'll check.
I can't share. I can't see your screen. Are you sharing?
I have to download the file, ma'am. Okay, let me share.
Select the new one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just downloading it.
Okay. Okay. Delete.
Ma'am, can I repeat the same? Import CAD,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
import CAD, and this one.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's working.
So actually, the problem
you.
is you use the 2019 version, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I use 2020 version. When I convert a 2020 Revit file into CAD, so the
Okay.
version of the CAD file is also 2020. That's why you can't open. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the difference, ma'am? Like a default metric template, which you
Actually, it's
said.
both are same, but some material was have some changes. When we use the architectural template, the template does not have a plastering material. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
the only default metric template have only the plastering material, that is concrete sand cement grade. That material is we use for plastering. Okay.
For example, we are going to design, I mean, construct a residential building or something like that. So we will be using in metric template or architectural. Architectural we won't use, right?
Default metric is better. So either if your or if your file have does not have default metric, you can choose the architectural templates. Otherwise, default metric is better.
Okay,
Okay, if your students does not have a default metric template, you can ask them to open architectural template.
okay, okay. What about construction template, ma'am?
Construction template is used for construction type areas. So now we use the what architectural modeling, so we can use this one. That's not a that actually the difference between that template is mainly, that is the main difference is material wise. Okay,
Okay,
so that's the main difference. So for architectural modeling we can use default metric, otherwise architectural template we can use.
okay, okay, okay.
So then open a CAD drawing into your model. First here you must create the levels. I hope you know about the level creation, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then after creating all the levels related to our project, so then go to the architecture tab. So we can set the unit first. Set the unit into centimeters. Then select the wall architecture. Select the type is generic 200 mm, that's better. Then go to edit type, duplicate, it's very important. Duplicate and type is wall 23, majority of wall thickness of wall is 23. So then go to edit. So here we want to add the, or we want to create the what wall wall, right? So this is a core part, 20 centimeter thickness part. So here we want to add some two plastering part, both two side of core level, right? So insert, I'm going to insert two structure and place one just above the 20th level and below this 20. Then add the thickness is 1.5 and this is 1.5. Preview. So here you can see
Ma'am,
this is the,
one second,
yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, you sent the 2020 file and I imported in 2022 version, but there, it is already levels have been created for me. But in
Yes,
your,
yes. Actually, that is a Revit file. Now I use the AutoCAD file.
oh,
Okay.
okay,
So that is, I hope you opened the Revit file. That
yeah,
is
yeah.
already completed the ground floor and also the levels above the ground floor. Or
Oh,
right?
okay. And
Okay.
now you're creating the levels.
No, no, no. It's, now actually I opened the CAD file. So
Okay,
that is
okay,
for yes, okay. For developing the CAD file into Revit model.
okay, okay,
Okay. So this is a model. So this is a wall. So here you can see this is the core part, 20 centimeter thickness part, and both the this two sides. So here you can see the plastering. So I just not add the material. So I hope you know how to add material to this area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Then okay. Okay. Then the first method is. So the wall location line is either you can use wall center line or finish face exterior or interior option. So here I use the finish face exterior. Then set the base constraint and the top constraint. If you are model developing the CAD file into 3D, so the base constraint is the plinth level and the top constraint is the lintel bottom level, right? So then select the pick line option. So we can select the pick line. So just select one corner of the wall. Then so this is the way to you can see the dotted line, that is outer of the wall. So if your dotted line is visible just out portion of the wall, that's wrong. So then select the interior portion. So now we can create. No need to create complete wall, just create a wall segment, right, like this. Then we can create, okay. Then the next step is, you can draw this one.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Ah,
Ma'am, actually, we missed that steps in between.
hmm?
Like we copied that CAD drawing, right?
Mm.
And after that, like I got a call, so I got disconnected.
Oh,
Sorry, and uh,
okay,
so now
repeat the wall
I'm.
creation. So now I create a wall type. The thickness is 23. Then set the base constraint is level 1 and the top constraint is the, now I use the level 2 in your model. So after creating the levels, the base constraint of the first phase wall construction is the plinth level and the top constraint is lintel bottom, as you know that. Then choose the pick line option, and this is the location line. You can choose the wall center line, either we can choose the wall center line and finish phase exterior option. So here I
I mean, it
choose
should
the finish.
be
Ah.
in the level one, right? It's
So now I use the level 1 because I didn't have levels. I didn't create the
uh,
levels. So you must create after you must create walls after creating the levels. Okay.
yes. That is what like
Same
whether
as
we
the
can choose
uh,
level one now.
uh. So you can just actually the level 1 is equivalent of ground level. So
Yeah.
no need to create that is if you want to, if you create the file is as a main file. So if you want to keep the file as a main file, no need to create a wall from level 1. So you must create the first, you must create the levels, then create the model walls.
So then do we need to create different levels now, like a plinth
Yes.
level and all that?
Yeah, right. Yes. Then after that
Oh,
you can create.
all right. Uh,
Okay.
could you give us some minute, ma'am, sometimes, ma'am, to create the level?
Sure. So remaining persons please create the levels, right? Or I hope one person can use the Revit model, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What I should do, ma'am?
And you can wait. Others please complete the levels very fast. So no need to create all the levels. You can just create the what levels like this. Ground level and plinth level just above the, for the difference between ground level and the plinth level is 45 centimeter. Then you can create a lintel bottom level. The difference between what plinth level to lintel bottom is 210 centimeter. Then you can set the lintel thickness is 10 centimeter. That's enough. So you can use the reference. You can see the difference between two levels. Okay. Hello, are you finished the activity?
Yes, ma'am, we are doing it, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, is there any way to
Mm.
do it quickly, ma'am? The level copy.
Okay, we can copy, but
Can you once again do it roughly, ma'am? Taking some time.
okay. So step is same. Go to south elevation, or you can open the any kind of elevations. So convert this level 1 to ground level, that is GL. Okay, then first step is we can change the in between distance between the ground level and the level 2. This is we can use this level 2 as a plinth level.
Yeah.
So just select the plinth level. So we know the difference between ground level and plinth level is 45 centimeter. You can set the 45 centimeter. So then go to the architecture tab, select the levels, choose the pick line. The offset value is 210. That is the difference between plinth level and the lintel bottom is 210 centimeter. We can choose the 210. So here I'm no need to rename this time. So the thickness of lintel is 10 centimeter. Then again place 10 centimeter. And second phase wall construction is
Offset.
between what lintel bot sorry, lintel top to roof bottom is 80 centimeter. We can use 80 or 90 as that's depends upon your building height. So just the 80, okay. So this is the way to create the levels. Then we can rename. Select the, so now you can see the name is overlapped. We can add an elbow. Then rename. This is lintel. So this one is LT, that is lintel. So here I want elbow. This is LT and this is RB, roof bottom. Clear? So this is the only method.
Yes, ma'am. We are doing it manually. That only taking some time.
Okay, you can share the screen. I'll guide you.
Okay, I'll share my screen. I'm like,
Okay, okay. First, remove the levels.
so
Okay,
this
zoom it.
wall.
Just zoom.
Ah,
Okay. For select the level 1. First set the unit U1. Just type U1.
yeah. It's in centimeter only.
No, it's
Oh,
in millimeter. The level difference in default metric template is 400 centimeter or 4 meter. Okay, first, okay, select the level 1. First select the
okay.
level 1 and
Okay.
select the text, level 1 text.
Okay.
Then convert
It's here.
ground level, GL, yes.
Okay.
Then select level 2. Level 2,
Okay.
that is plinth
P.
level, PL. Yeah, click on to the 400. 400. Okay,
Ah,
that is 45. Convert to 45. 45. Yeah, okay. Then go to architecture. Architecture is correct.
okay.
Architecture. Levels.
That is
Choose the pick line.
big line.
Yes, no,
Okay.
pick line. Add
So,
offset. Offset value,
okay.
right. 210. Yes. Then
Okay. That's all.
pick is just above the plinth level. Just on the plinth level. Okay, yes, right.
Okay.
Okay, then again no need to rename. Just change the offset value to 10 centimeter. No. That's right. Okay, offset value.
Oh, offset
Yes.
value is 10.
10. Okay, yes. That's the thickness of
Okay.
lintel. Okay.
Ah,
Then okay, right. Okay. Yes, right. Then again change the offset value to 80 centimeter. No need to rename the
Offset.
level
Offset.
specific. Offset.
okay. Offset.
80 centimeter. 80.
Okay.
That is a, so now you consider the building height of the building is 300. That's why I add the 80 centimeters the next level wall height. Okay.
Okay. What is the purpose of 80? Where this should be?
Actually, that is normally we can in Kerala we use, I don't know for the height of building in your area. So we use for residential building, the height of the residential building, majority of the height is 300. That is 3-meter height from plinth level. Okay, not from the ground level, just from the plinth level.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the plinth from ground level to plinth level is 45 centimeter. So then plinth level to lintel bottom is 210 centimeter. Then height of the lintel is 10. So now the thickness is 220. Then the height of the building is, now I consider the 300. Just subtract 220 from 300. So the answer is 80. That's why we use 80 as the next level wall height.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So
Then
this
just click on to
80,
the, yes, right. Then click on to the,
level 6.
right. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then click on to the modify.
45. Okay.
Just left side.
Left side.
Left side.
Where I modify.
No. Just above the below the file
Yes.
option. Okay. Actually, this button
Yeah.
is used for.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next step is we want to rename the file, rename the levels. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay.
Can I do that
Select
now?
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. So here I'm just selecting this
Select.
and
Okay. Okay, add elbow.
okay.
Then select the text.
Okay.
Yes, that is lintel
And
bottom,
this
LB. Okay. And select
and
the
this
above
one.
LT. No, no need to add the elbow. Okay, LT.
This is building top.
RB. RB, not building top, that's RB, roof bottom. So here we want to add one more level for rooftop. So,
Okay.
okay, you can create a new level. It's just about the roof bottom. Create a new level. How to create architecture? Yes, level. Thickness is 10. Okay, then rename rooftop RT. Oh, this is the building top. Okay, or the
Okay.
first floor rooftop. Okay, sorry,
Okay.
ground floor rooftop. Just escape. Okay, so then, so I'll share my screen.
Okay.
So then, open the plinth level. That's a step. Open plinth level. Here I can't see anything here, so I know something is no, I know. Okay, so we can see what some shadow of a line or plan. So this is a reference we can use. So first create a wall type and go to set the location line is finish face exterior, base constraint is plinth level, top constraint is lintel bottom. Okay, then choose the pick line. Draw the
Ma'am,
like
wait,
this.
ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay.
So we should go to wall, ma'am.
Yeah, select the wall. First create a wall type.
Yeah, wall type. No, no, wall type.
Wall type.
Is it 300 mm?
No, no, no. 23. Wall 23. This is the
The three, okay.
create this type. Okay, just select share your screen.
Yes.
Okay.
The same.
Okay. Go to edit type.
Edit. Edit
Yes.
type.
Duplicate.
Okay.
Wall 23.
So here wall.
23.
Okay.
Okay. 23. Tough. Then click on to the structure edit structure option. First option, that is yes, right.
Yeah.
See here you can see was a single what structure. So that is the
Okay.
width of the wall is 20. So we want to create a 23 centimeter wall. So here we want to add 2 layers for plastering. Just
Okay.
click onto the insert button 2 times. Okay, one more. Okay, then place that yes, thickness is 1.5. Okay, select the entire row. Oh no, no need to convert as a wrap. So select yes, just place use the down button. Yeah. One more click. One more click. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay.
Is it fine
Then
now?
yes.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Click on to the okay. Okay. Then set the base constraint is plinth level. That's
Okay.
right. And the top constraint is lintel bottom.
LB.
Yes, right. Then choose the pick line
Okay.
option. Choose the pick line option. Okay, okay, okay. No, 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 no. Oh, click onto the modifier place wall. No.
Sorry, where?
Okay. Select the wall. Once again.
Like, yeah, architectural.
Then okay, here you can see the draw option. Upper right corner.
Draw.
Upper right corner.
Draw. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Choose the pick line. Green color line. Pick line. Last one. Yes.
Yeah.
Pick line.
Yes.
And then
Okay.
again back to property box. Property box.
Property box.
Below.
Yes, ma'am.
Below.
Here,
The
here,
property
here,
box.
here. This one.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, change the location line. The location
Okay.
line to finish face exterior.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, clear. Or you can use finish face exterior or interior.
Okay.
If you're okay, that's an optional method. So if your project have, or if your floor plan have a center line, or if you have only the center to center distance, you can use the location line as the wall center line. Okay, so now we use but in our floor plan does not have the center line, so that's why we use the finish face exterior or interior option. Okay, we didn't have the center line or what reference line, center reference line. Or if you have a wall center line, we can use the wall center line option. So now our project, or now our CAD drawing does not have the wall center line. Okay, that's why we use finish face exterior or interior option. Okay, so here we can use the finish face exterior. Then just zoom the plan. Okay, zoom. Okay, then select one, just place. Okay, here you can see, yes. So wait, now we can see the dotted line is it's inside the wall, right? So now this is outside, so just use the, you can use the tab key, just use the tab key. I hope you can set. No, escape. Yeah, yes, right, place, click. Okay, so this is the way to create. So first, just wait. I'll share my screen. Just wait. Okay, so select the pick line option. You can see I just add one wall in this direction only. Okay, I just add one wall. So here also one wall, and this wall is also one wall, and this one also one, and this side. Okay, one, and here also one.
Ma'am, how do you say that is one wall, ma'am?
Okay, we can extend. So that's the next step. First, place this kind of wall, this type. Okay, in one direction. So now you can see this is not connected. So we can connect. Okay. Okay. Please create the wall this type. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, we are doing, ma'am.
Okay. You can share the screen.
We have to select the wall and click tab, right?
Excuse me. Yes, right. Yeah. Okay, enough. No need to create there. Okay, just move down. Okay, no. No. Okay, no need to create wall in that area. So just draw the horizontal direction.
Why, ma'am?
Okay, we can connect in a simple method.
Oh, Oh, I see. Only this disconnected.
Yes.
No,
Click, click. Just click, click.
only the parallel lines have to be.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay, no need to create there. No need to create there. There. Stop down and yes, right. No. There. You can draw the vertical wall. Yes, right. Then the horizontal portion. Horizontal and the vertical portion. Okay, right. Okay, enough. Okay. Yes. No, വേണ്ട. Okay, enough. Okay. This place.
No, that's all.
Okay, I hope that's enough. So I'll share my screen.
Can you tell me how do you say like this is okay and this is not okay?
And how do you select these lines, ma'am?
On what basis?
Ah, I can see. Mm, so I hope you can see the floor plan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I only create one wall in this horizontal direction only. So no need to create wall in this area. We can connect these two walls in a simple step. So okay, so now you can see in the horizontal direction we have one wall. In the vertical direction we have one wall. In the horizontal direction we have one wall. So this horizontal and this vertical have one wall, and this direction have one, this direction. So this is the way after creating these type walls here. So I just say that's okay, enough. Then we want to connect these walls, okay, by using the trim or extend to corner option. So actually this is used for trim, both trim and extend, okay. So this is only applicable in the corner case, okay, right? Hello, I hope you got the
Yes, ma'am.
idea, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So okay, choose the trim or extend corner. Here I want to fill the corner, right? So select these two walls,
Yo.
okay. Then select this wall and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, this one. Okay, this is the way to connect the walls. The simple method. So here we want to create. Yes.
No. Vertical down.
So this is the way to develop.
No, one second.
Can you please share your screen?
Ma'am, here, like these two vertical lines.
Okay, so that's the problem. So select the left side vertical line, select the left side vertical line, and
Okay.
select the horizontal lines. Just right. No. So in the what lower right corner, you can see one
Lower,
horizontal wall is here. Lower right.
this one,
No. Right.
this one.
Yes, right. Yes.
Okay. And we need to trim this, right? This portion.
Oh, so after okay, we can trim.
Okay.
Connect this wall. No. select the first select the one horizontal or the vertical. Yes, right. Below. Okay, just repeat once again. Do you know Malayalam?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay.
Someday with Tamil.
I if you ask Tamil, I can understand, but I can't reply with Tamil. Malayalam is, I hope Malayalam is just similar with Tamil, right?
Yeah,
Ma'am, I can speak in Malayalam. We can understand.
Okay.
we can understand.
Okay.
Yeah, would we join this?
Okay, select the. Yes, right. Select the wall. Yes, just below the wall. Below. Right. No. Below the horizontal wall. Yes. Okay. Connect ആവുന്നില്ല. Okay, just escape. So here you must have a. Your problem is, you can see my mouse pointer? No, അല്ലേ കാണാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ലല്ലോ.
No, ma'am.
Okay, actually the application is, this is only applicable in the corner cases. Okay, so we can connect one horizontal and the vertical wall at a time. Okay, right? If we want to connect two walls, that must be one wall is in a horizontal direction and another one is in a vertical direction. Okay, so we want to connect. So, okay, that's a vertical wall. We want to create a vertical wall. Okay, wait. Yes, but we have only the horizontal wall, but we didn't create any vertical wall in that direction. So here we want to create a new vertical wall, then we can connect. Yes, right. In that direction we had no wall.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we want to create a new one, then we can connect.
So we need to create one. So we need to create a wall, right?
Yes, right. Then we can repeat the operation. So just escape the option, escape. Then
Wall.
wall, pick line.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, okay. Enough. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, enough. Escape. Select the more extend corner option.
Okay.
Then connect. Select this one. Horizontal wall, just above the wall.
It's not coming.
Can you please create one more wall in that same direction?
Date, ma'am?
In the same direction.
Same direction.
Yeah, same direction.
Speak on to the, okay.
It's coming. Offset.
Is it right?
It's long.
അതിനല്ല ആ വാളിന്റെ താഴെയുള്ള വാൾ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ വെർട്ടിക്കൽ ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആ വാൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കൂ. ഡോറിന്റെ ഓപ്പണിംഗ് വേണ്ട, അതല്ലാതെ താഴത്തെ വാള്. യെസ്. No. Vertical wall.
This.
That's not a vertical.
Vertical.
Yes. Right. That is the wall there. Create. Yeah.
Create.
Just flip. You can see the flip direction. Flip. Just
Okay.
Oh God. Then we can trim. Okay, choose the trim or extend corner. Trim or extend the corner. Then repeat the operation.
Select the horizontal.
Ah,
Yes. Yes.
wow.
Here, there no horizontal wall. Select create a horizontal, then connect.
So same procedure. Okay.
Yes. I hope you got the idea, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
I don't know. So just remove the wall. That's not correct.
Remove?
Remove the yes, remove. Draw wall in the proper wall portion. Not here. Just left portion. Left side. Yes, right here, there. Create a pick line. You okay? That's enough. That's enough. Escape. Then connect. Use the trim or extend corner. Okay, right. Then connect the
This
vertical.
is correct.
Yes, right. Correct.
Okay.
Just select again. Select the horizontal wall. Right. Select the wall, and select the vertical one. Right side one. Right side. Yes. Zoom out. Okay. So yes, there is no horizontal wall. Again, we need to create a horizontal.
Okay.
That direction.
This one. Huh?
Here.
No, that's not correct.
Horizontal. Yeah.
Horizontal opposite. No, that's vertical.
Sorry.
That's vertical.
இங்கே பண்ணலாம்ல?
Yeah.
Just flip. Then more action. And again attach the into the. Okay, select the above the wall. Select yes, vertical. Zoom out. Okay, yes, select the wall. Yes, right.
Okay.
Then where okay. Okay, again wait. Okay, so lower right corner you can see one room, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the okay, that's a room. Okay, enough. Wait, zoom out. So that's a room. So in that room have a attached toilet. So that is the toilet, attached toilet. But here we can see one wall opening here. So we want to fill the wall opening area. So select the two corner of the wall in the toilet. Yes, that's one. Select and select the horizontal. Okay, select then okay, horizontal one. Select. Yes, right. Select. That's not correct. Can you please undo the model? Undo. Okay. Okay.
Undo.
Select the proper vertical wall. Select the no need to select the corner. Yes, right. Okay. Then select the horizontal one. Yeah. Okay. Right. Then again select the horizontal wall. Then you can see one corner wall in the left side wall in the room. Select the left side wall in the room. Right. Okay, right. So one wall is overlapping, right? Escape. Select one wall. I hope the wall is overlapped.
Ma'am.
Select the wall. Just remove, delete. Click on delete button. Okay, zoom out. Again, draw one more wall in the horizontal direction. Draw one more wall. Right. Okay, then select the trim or extend corner. Okay, first select the horizontal wall. Wait, select the select. Then yes, right. Okay, then the one wall is overlapped. Okay, just click onto the modify button. Okay, select the vertical wall is in the toilet area. Yes. Okay, here you can see one blue bubble. Bottom of the, yes, just drag and place is just above the wall. Zoom, 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 zoom. Yeah, okay. So first wait ഒരു ഓപ്ഷൻ കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. So in the main title bar, so just above the ribbon panel, just above the ribbon panel, ribbon panel, ribbon panel,
Where, ma'am?
ribbon panel.
Ribbon.
Okay, just a minute, I will share my screen. Can you see my screen?
No.
Okay, so this is the option. So this is called the ribbon panel. Okay, this is called
Oh.
ribbon panel.
Okay.
So just above the ribbon panel, so this is called title bar.
Okay.
Title bar. Left side of the title bar is called, here you can see some tools.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
This is called QAT. QAT means quick access toolbar.
Q80. Okay.
Okay, so in QAT here we can see the line type, so or line weight option. So it's the same as the line weight display tool in the AutoCAD. So now your screen is line weight display is turned on, that, so that is in your Revit file we can see the line weight. So no need to see the line weight. So here you can turn on the line weight option. So now I turn on the line weight. When we off the line weight option, so this is the visibility. So this is line weight on option. So when I off, let's convert as a thin line. Okay, then you can share the screen. Please share your screen.
No, I have to select this.
Okay, select the, okay, yes, yes. Now it's turn on, right? Okay. Then zoom and back to our place, the vertical wall of the toilet. Okay, select the wall. The bottom of the walls you can see one bubble, blue color bubble.
This is one.
Yes, and drag and place just above the horizontal wall. Drag and place. Yes, right, correct. Enough. Zoom out. If you want to see, okay, then back, escape. I think there is two wall, right? Okay, so yes, select the wall. Yes, select the, okay, remove, delete. Yeah, now it's correct. Okay, then can you please turn on, open the 3D view?
3D view.
It's just in the QAT, quick access toolbar.
Okay.
QAT. So yes, that is the 3D view. Open the 3D view.
Okay.
So this is the way to create. So here you can see what some of the open places is there. That is in the courtyard portion.
Okay.
Okay. So I know. Okay, back to plinth level. PL.
This one. Oh, okay.
So in the kitchen portion, that's the upper right option. Upper right.
This one, ma'am.
Yes, that is the kitchen, and just above the kitchen, that is work area. So here you can see the wall is not connected. Select the wall, horizontal wall. Yes.
Okay.
Select the bubble.
Okay.
Yes, drag and place. Right. Again back, zoom out. Zoom out. Okay, courtyard area, right? Courtyard portion. No. That's a courtyard. Yes, middle of the portion.
Okay.
So here you can see the one gap is there. Select, and you can first either you can select. Okay, enough. Right. So now we are complete the first phase wall construction. Is it okay? Anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am, understood. But it is necessary to connect everything. for
Yes.
every time we do the project.
Okay. So the next this is the first phase wall construction. The second step is we need to create lintel. Okay.
Okay.
I hope you learned these topics in yesterday, right?
Yesterday we actually not done hands-on training, but we were listening because the template which he shared was there is a little bit delay in the process.
Okay. It's okay. So now you can see we have successfully finished these steps, right? If you want to rotate the 3D view, you can use the shift button and the scroll button. So click and hold the shift button, then again click and hold the scroll button simultaneously, we can rotate.
Okay, okay, ma'am. I can able to do.
Okay. So then, so the next step, listen. So the next step is lintel creation. So here we want to create a lintel. Is actually majority of residential building have lintel in throughout the wall. So here this is a residential building. That's why we want to create, or we want to add lintel is just above all the wall. So first, so actually the wall creation is when we create a wall. So that is when we choose a
I'm
base
sorry for the
construction.
interruption.
Okay.
Ma'am, lintel is provided only above the openings, right?
Yes, right. So, but actually in residential buildings, we can lintel throughout the building, right? So, actually the purpose of the lintel is we can create lintel is above the open space like doors, windows. So,
Yeah.
this is a residential building. This is not a structurally safe. I don't know. It's not whether it is structurally safe or not. So that's why we want to create lintel is just above all the wall.
Okay.
Okay. So for creating lintel wall, so we can choose the lintel bottom for creating lintel wall, LB. Okay. If you want to create a wall in your model, you must select the base level for creating the wall. Okay, so I want to create lintel wall. That's a bottom or the base level of the lintel wall is the lintel bottom, right? Got the idea?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then, so now I open the lintel bottom level, but I can't see anything because lintel bottom have no the floor plans or the wall. So I want to open one more level in this particular lintel bottom view as a reference. So that is called range base level. Okay, so now we know in our project have wall in plinth level, right? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We have wall in plinth level. So the next the floor plan, that is Cad file in the ground level, but in lintel bottom level have no one. So here we want to open a level for reference, that is we can use plinth level or ground level. So we can use the reference level in the underlay option. So that is actually the application is, or the purpose of this option is, so if you want to see any elements from any kind of views in this particular view, you can use this option. That is, so I want to see the walls in the plinth level in this lintel bottom. So that's why I use range base level is plinth level. Now I can see the wall types in the plinth level in this view, but we can't select, just we can view. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I open the plinth level, then I want to create one more wall type. So wall architecture, edit type, duplicate. The type is lintel wall. Thickness of the wall is same as the wall, that is 23. So the difference is, so for creating the basic wall we can use the core material is brick wall. In lintel we can use concrete. That's a difference. Okay.
Okay.
Then okay. Then here so lintel creation is very
Ma'am,
simple.
could you slow?
Sure.
Please
Want
repeat
to
that
repeat?
previous step, ma'am.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
That edit assembly and
Underlay, yeah.
அதுக்கப்புறம் மேம் லைக் edit assembly that edit type edit assembly
Okay.
edit type
Yes, edit type.
linter
First we need to
duplicate.
duplicate.
Yes,
First select the create a wall.
Yes,
Select a wall. Now it's a normal wall. Okay.
yes ma'am,
Or normal brick wall. So
and we have to duplicate.
so first I'm going to add material to the common brick wall. That's more better for understanding. So this is material browser. Brick common. Okay, so this is first select the brick wall and go to edit type, duplicate. So this is the step, right? The name is lintel wall. So lintel is also a wall type. That's why we use the lintel as a wall. Then lintel wall, the thickness is same as the basic wall, that is 23. The different is now we want to change the material to concrete. In default metric template have these are the concrete materials in default metric. So if you want to plastering your building, you can choose the concrete, sand or cement screed material. Okay, in this material contain cement, sand and water. Actually this is a plastering material, right? Okay.
Yes ma'am, yes
So
ma'am, yes ma'am.
okay, so the next, but this is no need to use this one as a concrete or this one as a lintel material. Lintel is a PCC, lintel is an RCC work. That's why we in that particular material must have fine aggregate and the coarse aggregate. So that's why we can use the concrete cast in situ as the material for PCC and RCC work. Okay. So in this material, concrete cast in situ material have cement, sand, water and coarse aggregate, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so that's why I use the concrete cast in situ as the concrete material or lintel material. So here we can see one more concrete material, that is concrete masonry units, that is same as the brick common. So this is concrete bricks or hollow bricks, right? If you want to construct your building by using the concrete bricks, we can use the concrete masonry units, right?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
So is it clear?
Yes ma'am, concrete cast institution.
Concrete cast in situ is used for PCC and RCC work.
And masonry for brickwork.
Yes, that is concrete masonry units,
Yes.
the same as common brick.
Okay.
The common brick is a red brick, so this is the concrete brick.
Okay.
So
Then we
here I use the concrete cast in situ material for lintel creation. That's a difference.
Okay.
Then base constraint is lintel bottom, top constraint is lintel top. Now you can see the height of the wall is 10 centimeter. Then location line is wall center line. Clear?
Top base constraint LB and
Top constraint
up
is
to level LT.
LT.
Okay.
Location line is wall center line. Then select the pick line. Then zoom and select the center line wall. We can see the center line. Okay, just click the center line. Just click the center line in all the wall.
Okay.
I hope you can see the, you just see screen, right?
1 second now.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I just finished all the lintel, but except this wall. So this is not attached to this one. So here you can use this option to attach. It's not attached also. Okay. So this is the way to create lintel. You can share the screen. You can share your screen. No need to draw the wall. So just use the pick line.
Oh, quick line.
Just pick, zoom and pick the center line. That's a simple way. Zoom and place. Okay, correct. 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 Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So then,
And the close one.
okay. Here you just create. So just wait. I'll share my screen. Better understand. Actually, so this is the area of courtyard. Okay, this is the courtyard area. In my building that is open, but your project is
Yeah. It is closed, ma'am.
yes, like this, right?
Yes, ma'am. So we need to trim, right?
Yes, right. So back to plinth level. So this is the basic wall. Back to plinth level. Okay. You open the plinth level.
Plinth. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Then back to my screen. Go to modify. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then select this option, split element.
Element.
There anyone can help them.
Yes, ma'am. Split element.
Split element, select the split element and split this wall, the center of this portion.
Okay.
First split the wall.
So you have to click, right?
Yes, split. Just
okay.
split the wall.
Okay.
Now we can select wall in this method.
Yes,
This
yes,
one is
ma'am.
one. That's right. So here again we can use the trim or extend to corner option. That's I already said this tool is used for both trim and extend. Okay.
Yes.
So select this. It's only applicable in the case of corners.
Okay.
So select the trim or extend corner tool. Then select two walls what you want to retain in your model. So I want to retain this area and this area, right?
Okay.
I want to trim this projected one. Okay. So by using this tool, first select the what you want to retain in your project area. So this is the area I want to retain in this area, and again this one. So opposite
Okay.
one is removed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to retain this wall and this area also. So this is the way to trim.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. I've done.
Right. Then, so the next step is I want to create the second phase wall construction is above the lintel top, right? Open the LT level.
On the top.
LT.
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't see anything. How can I open the views in the plinth level into this view?
Underlay.
Yes, right. Underlay. Underlay, set the range base level into
Plinth level.
plinth level, right. So now you can see. So again select, go to wall architecture, select the wall 23, brick wall. from the type selector. So this is called the type selector. Okay. Got it? You got
But
it?
I have created a basic wall. There I have duplicated a lintel wall.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Right. So again we want to create this, we want to create the second phase, right, above the lintel. That's the
Okay.
same basic wall. No need to copy or duplicate.
Okay.
So step is wall type, wall architecture, and click on to the type selector. Just click on to the type selector. Here we can choose we can see the different type of walls and select the wall 23 from here.
Okay.
Then again base constraint is lintel top and the top constraint is roof bottom.
Okay.
Right. Then
So basic wall in wall 23, we have to go to edit type, and we have to change the material, right?
oh, so for creating lintel you must duplicate wall.
Yeah. Once I have duplicated, I have to change
Create
the material.
right. So again we have basic wall 23.
But previously, when I do lintel
Okay,
bottom,
share your screen. Share your screen. I want to check. Okay. Just escape. Open 3D view. 3D view. 3D view. Okay. Select the lintel wall. Can you please select the lintel wall?
lintel wall, no?
Lintel. That is lintel.
Which one? No?
Lintel. That's above the basic wall. Yes, right. That's a lintel. No.
No, this
No,
is
that's
wall.
yes, right. That's a lintel. Okay. So okay, that's a lintel. This is called lintel wall, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then select the bottom wall, base wall.
Bottom here, no?
Yes, base wall. Normal. Yes, right. That is the wall 23. You can see the name.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for creating above the lintel top to roof bottom wall, we can use this type wall 23.
Okay.
Okay. Then open the lintel top.
Open the lintel top.
Lintel top level, LT level.
Oh, open. Okay. Yeah.
LT. Then okay. Select the type selector. Type selector. Yes. Yes. Select. And select the wall 23. Yes. Right. Then base constraint is lintel bottom. No. Okay. Wall center line.
Base
That's right.
constraint.
Is not not is lintel top. Lintel top. LT. Lintel top. And the top constraint is roof bottom. RB. RB. Right. Oh, അങ്ങനല്ല. Just undo the operation. Undo. Open 3D view. I want to check this right or not. Okay, right.
Ma'am, actually, this
No need to
properties.
select a wall. No need to select the wall. Just escape. Then open lintel top. LT level. No need to select the wall. LT.
Lintel top.
Then again wall. Wall architecture. Okay, right, correct. Okay, choose the LT to, okay, base constraint is LT, top constraint is roof bottom, location line is wall center line. Okay, select the pick line, select the pick line.
Okay.
Select the center line, yes, right. Okay, draw all the walls like this.
But you said properties there should be big.
So now we can select the wall 23. That's after, if you in your system didn't visible the wall 23 in the first time, you can select the type selector choose from the list. Otherwise it's right. Now it's right.
Okay. But every time we need to choose only wall 23. Is there any rule?
Actually that is a that's a common type. That's why we choose that one.
Okay. But we can choose another template and we can change the properties, right? That is also okay.
No, now we in this project already have the wall 23, that's why we use. If you want to create this step in our another step software or sorry another template, you must create the wall type, then we can create. First
Okay.
the step is
Initially, when we are doing
create
a
the
wall, we need to
uh,
set some wall 23 or something like that. We
uh,
need to use throughout the project the same wall.
yes, right.
Okay.
So if you want to create a different kind of walls, you can use. So the example is the normal wall thickness of the wall is 23, but no need to use that wall for creating parapet, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Parapet wall thickness will be less, and so
less, and also we can use less thickness wall for toilet partition, right?
yes.
Okay, now this project have the all the wall is similar, that's why we use the 23 wall.
Okay. Understood. Yes.
So that's right, correct, enough. So then back to our model. So I want to create the, so can you see my screen? No, I'll share my screen. Okay, I'll share my screen, I'll share. Okay, so here choose the pick line option. So this is I want to create above the wall second level wall. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now we have finished this option. So then I'm going to obviously shared 3D file, right back. So now I'm going to open this file. Okay, Ji sir, I share this file to you. So I
Yes,
open
ma'am.
that file. This is the file. So the next we want to start our today's session. So that is the floor creation. Okay, floor and roof creation. So I hope in yesterday's training you done these topics. You done the floor creation and stacked wall creation, right?
Ma'am, not hands-on training, ma'am. Don't
Okay,
mistake.
okay, okay, enough. So I hope I think Jishnu already take the topics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Practice those topics by using your recordings. So
Okay.
not necessary for today's lesson. Okay,
You
then
can go ahead, ma'am, with
okay,
your
sure.
session.
So now we want to create a roof here. So that is in this model we have one more floor. So that's why no need to create roof in this area. We can create floor in this portion. Okay, flat shape. Okay. So first I want to for creating a floor, we can select open rooftop level, RT level. Here I didn't have anything, I can't see anything, so I want to set the underlay. So now my model have model elements in ground floor, ground level, plinth level, and lintel level and lintel top level. We can use any kind of views from this for the reference. So here I'm going to select lintel top for the reference. Here we can see the model. So first I want to create a floor. So that is go to architecture tab. Here we can see floor. Actually in Revit have 3 different families, right? Do you know about the families in Revit?
Uh,
Okay, actually, each and every elements in the Revit is a family. Okay, we can categorize all the families in three different way. That is, first one is system families. Okay, second one is in place families, and third one is laudable family. Okay, these are the three.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are the different three family type or families. If consider the system families, the example of system families is wall, floor, roof, ceiling. That kind of elements is the example of system families, right? So when we choose the system families, we must duplicate the family, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we already duplicate the wall type because wall is a system family.
System.
That's we duplicate. Okay, so roof is a system family, floor is a system family. That's why we must duplicate that file, that family. Okay, so then second one is laudable family. Actually, the example of laudable families is doors, windows, furnitures, that kind of elements is the example of laudable family. So that is, we can load that family externally from to your project. Okay, that's a independent family. We can create families inside Revit, and also we can download from another locations like BIM object. That's a official site. We can download families from BIM object by using your Google account. Okay,
Okay.
that's a BIM object, that's a site. Okay, we can share the link to your students, right? Okay, for downloading the BIM object or families. That's a BIM object, that's a site. So we can download families from BIM object and that kind of websites. So that's called the laudable family. Okay, we can load lot of projects, we can load that families into lot of projects. Okay, the final one is in place family. In place family is we can't share that families from one project to another one. So that is that's also a family we can create only for a particular project only. Okay, so the example is in our Revit have stair. Okay, stair is connected from one level to another level. That is, we can create stair from plinth level to rooftop. Okay, for so but that's the stair, but in Revit does not have step. That is, if you want to create a step from ground level to plinth level, we didn't have the step. So here, for creating the step, we must create the step as a in place family. And in Revit have roof, floor, and that kind of elements, but it doesn't have the sunshade. Okay, actually the sunshade is a part of this sunshade is change our aesthetical appearance of a building. So that's why we can add sunshade in a different styles, right? So in our new contemporary model have different kind of sunshade models. We can create that sunshade as an in place family. We can't share the sunshade from one project to another. So that is the three different family types. Is it clear? Yes, okay. So now we are going to choose one system family. So that is the floor is a system family. So choose the floor architectural. So then here choose the generic floor. So by default you can select the generic 150 mm floor. So then go to edit type. Here we need to duplicate, that is floor 10. So that is, I just add the concrete, that's a material. 10 concrete floor. Then okay, then go to edit, thickness.
Floor in concrete, ma'am.
Yes, floor in
Put
concrete.
in concrete. Okay.
Thickness is 10. So then the thickness is 10. So no need to add the, that is 7. Then again we need to add 2.
Thickness is 7, ma'am.
So no, total thickness is 10. So the core part thickness is 7. Remaining portion is 1.5 and the 1.5. Now the total thickness is 10.
Oh, you are splitting the 10 into 3.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, right.
7 and insert. Okay, up 1.5. Insert 1.5. Okay.
So
Yes,
here also we can add the material. So first select the core portion, and this is actually a RCC work. So that's why we can choose the concrete cast in situ, right?
Concrete cast. It's loading for me. Nice. Concrete. Yes, ma'am.
So then next one is here, select the plastering area. Again material, we can add the concrete sand cement screed as a plastering material.
Concrete cement sand screen.
Sand cement screed.
Okay.
Sand to cement screed, right? So again add the same material is in the above portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Everyone done this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? After the person
think yes.
does not respond. Arun Gunashegan. Remain okay. That's it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then click on OK. Okay. So when we create a floor, it must be a closed loop. Okay. The profile must be a closed loop. If it have any kind of intersections, we can't create floor and roof also. Okay. So
Ma'am, come
can you
again, ma'am. If I don't have intersection.
So actually the floor, when we create a floor and roof, the outer boundary or the profile boundary portion is must be a closed loop.
Okay, okay. If there
Closed
is
loop.
opening, then it won't.
We can't create. We can't
okay.
create.
Okay.
Or if it have any kind of opening or if it have any kind of intersections, we
Okay.
can't create.
Okay.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first here I am choose the RT level for creating the floor. Then we can select the either we can choose the pick line option or we can use line option. So here I am going to choose the pick line. Okay, pick line, and select the outer lines or
The height
outer boundary.
offset is 0, ma'am. Height offset is 0.
Height of it is 0.
Okay.
So select the pick line
Pick line.
and select the outer walls.
Okay.
Click
Outer
onto the
wall.
outer else.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just listen. Okay, draw the outer walls, but you can see some of the line is intersected like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you can see. So first when we finish the activity, you can see lines cannot intersect each other. The highlighted lines currently intersect. This message will appear.
Okay.
Okay, so continue. So here we want to trim the corners. Trim the corner. Again trim. Now this is a closed loop.
Once I selected what I should do, ma'am, I selected everything, like you said. Then I should click the tick button, right?
Yes, right. Tick button. Can you see my screen? I'll
Yeah,
finish.
yeah.
Yes.
Tick
Okay.
button.
Okay.
So it is asking links cannot be intersect each other. So I have to
Yes.
continue.
Yes. Yes.
And
Right.
then I have to go to trim, right?
Yes. Right.
Right.
The intersected portion you must trim that lines by
Okay.
using the trim or extend corner.
Okay, how do I do? Okay. Yeah, I done. Fine. After trimming, ma'am,
Just finish once again.
finish. Okay, ma'am. Again, it's asking lines cannot be inserted.
Okay. Can you please share your screen?
No, there is a line, extended line.
Yeah. Okay. Trim the lines.
1 second, ma'am. Oh, now it's okay. Yeah.
Is it clear?
No, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Right. Correct. So back to my screen.
Yes.
So this is the way to create a floor like this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Nice. Great. Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, wait. System is a little bit hard. Yes. Okay, then so the next step is we want to create one more floor or first floor, right? For creating the first floor, we must create levels like this.
Okay.
Okay, so the difference is from RT to first floor lintel bottom is 10 to 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This portion is 80 centimeter, and this one is 10 centimeter. Can you please create these levels?
Ma'am, already the file which you sent, this all.
Yes. Remaining persons, that is,
Okay.
no, I don't know your name. That is Kalaivanan, right?
Kalaivanan, yes, ma'am.
Yes, right.
I'm actually left the class, ma'am. Left the session, ma'am.
What happened?
He has a class actually for the students.
Okay.
So he said he will continue. So I'm doing this. So I will tell him, ma'am. I will explain this part.
That's who's done with me? Who's that person's done with me?
Pardon, ma'am. Come again, ma'am.
Who's this? Who's the person's done with me?
Myself, Vijay, ma'am.
Okay, who you only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so continue. So then, so I hope you have these levels. That is, I repeat the steps. That is, we can create the levels. This is called the first floor lintel top FFLB, and this is FFLT first floor lintel top, and this is FFRB first floor roof bottom, and this is first floor roof top FFRT, right? So this is the levels. So here we want to place the wall, or we want to create the first floor, right, from the ground floor. First select the wall is like this. Just select, drag and select the walls. Okay, so like this. Actually, draw the selection region from left to right, right?
I have to select everything, ma'am. Up to.
Select the selection region from left, your screen, left
Yes,
to
ma'am.
right. It will cover all the walls. No need to select the floor.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like this.
Yes, ma'am. But yeah, the
Can you
wall
see
is
your
getting selected, ma'am.
Can you see your screen?
1 second. Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Yeah, sure. You can see.
So we have to select this.
Like this. Right, enough.
But
Okay, right.
the wall is getting selected. Is that okay?
Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. This, I'll share my screen. Then So here we want to filter our selection. Okay, so that is go to the filter option. So here you can see, Vijay sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so click on to the filter option. So actually this filter is used for category based filter. Okay, so here in our selection region, I already select the doors, floors, furnitures, roofs, walls and windows. So no need to place all the furnitures and floors just above the levels. So that's why I just click on to the check none option. Okay, check none and select the wall only. When we select the wall, the door and window is automatically selected with the wall. Okay, so the doors and window is attached to the wall. That's why no need to select the doors and windows categories from the window. So we can select wall only. When we select the walls, the doors and window is attached with that particular wall. We can select that. Okay, so select the walls, then okay. Okay, then so we want to place this wall is above the RT level. Okay, so click on to the copy to clipboard option, copy to clipboard and drop down the option this paste from align to selected levels. Select the align to selected level option, then select the
Copy
RT
to
copy to
copy to
clipboard. First select and filter,
filter,
check
ma'am.
none.
Copy
Okay,
to
all the walls. So can you see my screen?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so under the modify panel,
Yes, ma'am.
so here this is the option. So under the clipboard panel, here you can see
Copy to
the
clipboard. Yeah. Yes,
yes copy to clipboard.
yes, ma'am.
Copy,
So,
right?
yeah,
So
I
click
click.
on to the copy to clipboard. Then here you can see the paste option is just
Yes,
left
ma'am.
side. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
so
ma'am.
just click on to the drop down option in the paste button.
Okay.
Here you can see the align to selected level option.
Yes, ma'am.
Then select the RT level. So I want to place this wall is above the RT level. So that's why we use the RT as the level.
Okay.
Then RT, okay. Just click on OK.
Okay.
Now
Yeah,
you can
it
see.
just copied. Yeah.
Yeah, right. You can see the first floor is created, but this is not a right one. So here we want to modify the first floor plan. Just a minute, I will share the PDF of this particular wall to you.
Oh.
Okay, in mail.
Why, ma'am? Why PDF, ma'am?
This models PDF. For this is only we have only the first ground floor, right? So we want to create the first floor. I'll share the floor plan, entire floor plan.
Okay.
This is actually our workbook in our curriculum. Okay, you got the mail?
Not yet, ma'am.
Can you see my screen? So this is the first drawing your ground floor plan, and this is the first floor. So the difference between ground floor and the first floor is the first floor plan have an open terrace area and it have a balcony portion also. Can you see that? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was opening the PDF. Yeah, yeah.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am? Ma'am? Seena, ma'am?
Hello?
Ma'am, are you there? Ah, yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
First floor plan. So the difference between the ground floor and the first floor plan is here we have one open terrace and we have a balcony, and this first floor does not have kitchen portion. Okay, and we want to open a courtyard area in the floor. So that is the difference. So we want to set our first floor in is like this. Okay, that's the option. That's a next action. Okay.
Okay.
So back to our Revit model. So I am going to open the RT level. This is the RT level. That is, this is now I opened the first floor plan.
Yes, ma'am.
Then change the underlay to none. So we don't want to see anything without this view. Offset the underlay is none. Then I am going to remove this wall.
Why,
And
ma'am?
so because I want to create an open terrace. So this is first floor. It's a little bit different from ground floor.
This top, okay.
So here I want to remove the wall, but no need to delete the wall. Here we want to choose the trim or extend to corner option, then trim the corner. Okay, delete instance. So can you please set this area with me? Share your screen.
You have to delete it.
Share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Oh, no need to delete. Escape.
Okay.
Okay, remove.
Yes, ma'am. Remove one.
Just delete the horizontal wall.
Okay.
No, that's not. That's
Okay.
not.
This one,
So
ma'am.
okay, can you please open your PDF in your mobile phone, or can you please capture this view in your mobile phone? You can
Phone. This one, ma'am.
yes. Can you please you can capture this image in your mobile phone, then
Wait
use
a
this
second.
reference.
Wait a second, ma'am. Okay.
Then back to Revit, you can use this plan as in your reference. Okay, so in this, yes, that's a wall, remove that.
So we need to remove that.
And again, at the vertical wall we need to, no need to remove entire wall, just trim the corner, use the trim or extend. Yes, okay, so just
So this one and this one.
okay, yes, this select then below portion, right.
Okay.
Then again delete instance,
This one cancel, no?
delete
Delete.
instance. So this is the way, right.
Okay. So
Okay.
then in the drawing, the open terrace is like
Open
that.
terrace is correct.
Then only we are doing. Okay.
Okay, then back to my screen. I'll share my screen. Just watch my impressions. Then, okay, so now we have successfully create the open terrace area. So the next step is I want to create the balcony portion. Okay, so I'll show my PDF. So the width of the balcony is 176, or the distance between these 2 points is 190. We can consider either these values. So I just consider that 190, the value 190. So difference between this wall and this wall. Okay. So then back to Revit. So select the wall. Here we can see one temporary dimension. This is called a temporary dimension. When we select any kind of any elements, so one dimension is visible in the blue color. So that is called the temporary dimension. We can select the temporary dimension. So if you want to convert this temporary dimension as a permanent dimension, you can click on to the dimension simple here. Just click on here. So convert as a permanent dimension. Is it clear? So clear,
Yes,
sir?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first I use this method for change the size of the wall. So select the wall, this one, select the wall. Here you can see the distance between this wall and this one is 387, right?
Yes,
So,
380.
yes, right. Select the 387 value and change into 190.
Okay.
That is the method.
Oh, okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So now we are successfully update the
Ma'am,
model
one
elements in
second,
the RT level only. Yes?
ma'am, once again, if the value, if you want to lower that, then what we should do? Like
Sorry?
we entered 190, so it goes up, right?
Okay. So
If we want to go lower
just
that,
again select the wall and we can change. This is the first method, and also we can use the permanent dimensional method also. Select the aligned dimension and place.
so 190 is from that top horizontal wall. Okay, that's why you entered
So the
190.
difference between these two wall is the 190.
Okay,
So this is now it's 190.
okay, understood. Yes, ma'am. So in the plan you have given that 190. That's why you have entered 190, right?
Oh yes, right.
Yeah, okay.
So then, so now we are successfully update the model elements in the RT level only. So we
Yes.
have to done in the same step in the lintel bottom, lintel top level also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So then, so we want to open the first floor lintel bottom level, FFLB. Open the FFLB.
Yes. LB. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now we are open the FFLB. So can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here I just select one wall, but when we select the FFLB, the element in the FFLB is the lintel wall, right?
Yeah, lintel wall. Yes, ma'am.
Right. But when I select, so you can see some element is visible in this view. So I select one wall and I'm going to property. So now this is not a lintel wall.
It's a
This
basic
is a
wall.
basic wall. But you can see, now okay, this is a basic wall. So the next step is I want to see the base constraint and the top constraint. So now we are in the FFLB, but in this view, visible wall, right?
Ma'am, come again, ma'am. Yeah.
So I select, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I've selected and I will.
then select, and I am going to go to the modify or property browser. So actually the element in this particular view is the lintel wall, right? But I select one wall that is not a lintel wall, that's a basic wall,
Basic. Yes.
right? So that's a, I think someone think that's a wrong one. So we want to check the another step, that is, so I want to see the base constraint of this particular wall. So the wall actually the wall in the first floor lintel bottom, the base constraint of the wall in this particular view must in the FFLB, right? Base constraint. But
Yes, it's a FFLB. Yeah.
yes, right. But selected wall is not in the FFLB, that is in the FFLT.
FFLT. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So select this single wall and okay.
Select.
First select the one wall and right click.
Select all instances.
Select all instance visible in view.
Okay.
Okay. Again right click. Now the all the select wall is in the selected selected.
Okay.
Just right click and you can see one hide in view option.
Yes, ma'am. Hide in view
Okay.
elements.
Elements, right. Choose the elements.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have successfully hide the elements, but we can see another walls in this view, right?
Yes.
Again select one more wall in this view. Now we can see now this is the lintel wall, right?
Okay, understood. Okay.
Clear?
Okay, we have added. Why, ma'am? Why? Because why it is showing previously?
That is actually in what Revit have. Just a minute. I'll share one. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share one window to you. Actually, consider this is a whiteboard. Okay. Can you see the blank screen?
Oh, yeah, yes, ma'am.
Consider this is whiteboard. Okay.
Okay.
So here I am going to draw a floor or a building elevation like this. So this is wall and this is basement and this one is lintel. And this one is finally roof. Okay. So here, here. So this is doors and this one is windows. Okay, this is normal door and this is normal window and this is ventilation. Okay. So that is this is the 3D or the elevation view. So actually the elements we can see in the floor plan is the model Revit is automatically cut the model like this. Okay, called cut plane. Okay.
By default, ma'am. By default.
By default,
Okay,
system is
okay.
cut. So actually this is called a cut plane. So now this cut plane is consider this is a first floor. Okay. Not a ground floor. This is consider this is a first floor.
Yes.
So this is a cut plane. So the cut plane is cut the building. So after cut the building, we can see the cut portion of the wall, right? Door and this window. This cut plane does not cut this particular ventilation, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear. So when we see the floor plan of this cut plane, we can see only the walls, doors and the window. We can't see the this ventilation because the cut plane does not cut the ventilation. That's why we can't see. Right?
Okay. In the beginning, it was showing the previous wall, that is cut plane. Is
Yes,
that right, ma'am? Yes.
this is called cut plane. This
Okay. Okay.
automatically cut all the views in Revit.
So in our project, this is why it is showing that wall.
This we can't see the this actually by default they cut the wall in a fixed distance.
Okay.
So the cut plane is cut our building. That's why we can see the floor plans.
Okay.
So this cut plane is cut the building of this wall, doors and window, right? It cut plane does not cut ventilation. Just ventilation is just above the cut plane, right? That's why cut plane does not cut the element.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's why we can't see the ventilation in this floor plan, in this levels floor plan, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. So in our project, so that is FFL, when we open the FFLB, some of the elements in the FFLT, we can show the elements in the FFLB, right?
Yeah. It is
Yes.
visible.
Yes, but now we are hide the element. So, but previously it was visible.
Yes.
So that is, I just slightly move on to the here. So, sorry. Okay. So consider this is the cut plane in the lintel level, right? When we cut the lintel level, in this case we can only see the lintel walls, right? It only cut the lintel lines.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
But in Revit we have some what height offset is here. Okay, height or cut plane offset, that is we can see some elements is in the region of offset area. So consider, so this temporary dimension is the offset range of this particular cut plane. This is not correct, but consider, so this area, this is a region.
Okay.
Okay, so that is now the cut plane is in the lintel level, but it have a region, cut plane offset or cut plane region, that is in the lintel top area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's why we can see some elements in this area also, in this particular floor plan.
Okay.
So that's why we can see some elements in the lintel top in lintel bottom view, right?
Okay.
Clear? Vijay sir, okay or no?
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am. So in order to view that, we are hiding that like done in the previous step.
Yes, right.
Okay.
That's why we hide some elements is in the region.
So then it comes to basic wall lintel 23.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So here we want to change the elements. Now this is the lintel walls. So here I am going to delete the wall, and this one is also deleted. Delete, and here I want to trim like this. And again I want to create a lintel wall in this area. So because I can't change when I change the dimension of this wall, so now this wall is in the perfect horizontal position. When we change the dimension, now the distance is 387. When I change the dimension of 387, first select the wall and change the dimension to 387 to 190. Okay, to 190. So the automatically reduce the room size also, right? So that's why no need to set this operation in now. So
it's in 387. We have to change it into 190, right?
190. But when we choose this option in this particular view. Can you see my?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Set the 190. You can see the room size will be changed. Can you see the left portion? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So no need to do this step because it's wrong. Unto the model. Again select the lintel wall.
Okay.
And we have an option to create the similar elements, that is just right click and we can create the similar. So here we have an option to create the similar elements, that is when we choose the similar elements, that is we can draw the same element once again. The location line is same, the base constraint is same, base offset is same, top constraint is also the same one. Okay, so choose the create similar and draw a horizontal wall like this. Then select the, can you see the screen?
One second, ma'am. One second, ma'am. The
Okay.
create tab. Which one? Which icon, ma'am?
Select and this is the option. Create
Okay.
similar.
Okay. Okay.
Similar. Create similar. Okay. Then draw a wall like this.
Draw. Okay. Ma'am, how do you draw that?
The screen is lagging, right? Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So how do you draw that, ma'am? Horizontal line.
They're like this. Now you can see. Oh, the screen is lagging. Ayyo. Now it's okay. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then select the wall. Select the newly created wall.
No, I have to drag, ma'am, horizontally from one end to another end. Correct? Yeah. Okay.
Like balcony wall.
Yeah. Done. Okay.
Then select the newly created wall.
Select the newly created wall. Okay.
So here you can see the distance between these 2 points is in my model, that is 275.50. So that is change the value to 190.
192. Yes.
Right?
Okay. Understood. Yes, ma'am.
So back to my model. Trim the corner. So I want to trim this projected area.
So trim. Okay.
Trim or extend, and can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Select this portion. Select this point and this point.
Okay.
And also select this area and this one.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done. So please open the 3D view. You can see the change.
1 second, ma'am. In my drawing, there is one more wall. I have not trimmed.
Okay. Can you see? Can you share your screen? I'll give you.
Yeah, I finished, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Done.
So 3D view. Yeah.
Open the 3D view. You can see balcony is created, but one more wall we want to
One side is overhanging, ma'am. That.
like this. So we want to remove this
yeah,
area too also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So then open the next level floor plan, that is FFLT. Open the FFLT. And again edit the walls here.
Okay.
Select, remove,
Delete, ma'am. Delete.
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 Okay, then here trim or extend. Yes.
Okay.
So here again select the wall. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Select the wall and create similar.
Similar.
Yes, right. Draw a wall like this.
Like this.
Yeah, then select the newly created wall.
And
So
we
the
have to change the distance.
Is
190.
190. Right.
Yeah.
190.
And trim
Then-
the remaining.
Yes, portions. Correct. Go to the 3D view.
Yes.
So we have face axis, and also here. Can you see the screen? Here we want to remove. Can you see my 3D view?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So here you can see some projection is here.
Yeah, yeah.
The quadrant. So we want to remove these portions. So first open the FFLB, trim or extend, remove this portion. Okay. Then open FFLT, again remove the same portions.
1 second. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. FFLT. Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. So, okay, ground floor, there is continuation. The first floor, there is no continuation. Okay, that is why.
Yes, that's why we modified it. So,
So,
it's okay? It's
yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Let's move on to the another topic. You want to take the lunch break right now?
Yes, ma'am. Let's break.
Okay. So, why? I'm going to join here. Which time you want to join? You can join.
Ma'am, yeah, wish, ma'am. Yeah, first one.
1 p.m. Right?
Yeah, 1:10, 1 p.m. ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1:10 or 1:10. It's enough.
Yeah.
1:10. Okay. Bye. May I shut down the call? Other hold on.
Stop the recording, ma'am.
Okay. Sure.